Soak rug. The water came up about 9 inches, hit everything in here, pan here. Your father's clock is wet. The feet, the basket, all the dog stuff. In the main area here in the dining room, again, water. You can see the water's all the doors are warping because it got up to about 9 inches in here. One of the first bedrooms here, same thing.
Open the curtain.
Yeah. Okay, in here, same thing. Water here. What's this, a bathroom?
I don't know.
Yeah, careful touching certain things. Doors swelled, you can't even open
Oh,
it.
the closet doors are swelled there too.
Okay, here's the bedroom here, bathroom. You can see in here it's about 10 inches of water.
Pictures are all.
Yep, pictures, yeah. The bottom of the chest is already warping, see it? In here, the makeup chair is soaked. The bottom of, you can see the swelling of the bottom of the cabinets are already swollen. You don't have to get down here, they can see it. In the closet, you can see the baskets, everything's got wet. Doors are all warped. Can't even open them all the way. Okay, again, height of the. Well, if you can take a picture, they can see the height right here. Yeah, the box is about 9 inches of water. The dresser is just colored. You can see. The water came up to the bottom handle. The drapes, you can see the water came up to about over 12 inches there. Where we sucked in. What was that sound?
I thought somebody came in, no?
Yeah, I hope so. If not, that was something surging.
Let's go see.
Yeah. Careful out here.
Oh, there's the couch.
Yeah,
You can see the line on the couch.
Pan the whole room and then hit so you can see the whole room and then hit each thing separately. Okay, now everything is over there. That's soaked, the dog thing, chairs, metal chairs are already rusting. Yeah, something was making a loud sound in here. So be careful walking.
You can smell the dishwasher was
It's smoking.
smoking.
We got here.